Sunlight plays a crucial role in the life of plants. It is the primary source of energy that plants use to perform photosynthesis, the process by which they create their own food. During photosynthesis, plants absorb sunlight through their leaves and use it to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into glucose, a type of sugar that provides energy for growth and development. This process also releases oxygen into the air, making it essential not only for plants but for all life on Earth. Without sunlight, photosynthesis cannot occur effectively. This means the plant won't be able to produce enough energy to grow. As a result, the plant may show signs of poor health, such as yellowing leaves, slow growth, or even death in extreme cases. Different plants have varying sunlight needs. Some thrive in full sunlight, while others prefer partial shade, but all require some exposure to light to survive. Sunlight also influences other important plant functions beyond photosynthesis. It helps regulate internal biological clocks, determining when a plant should flower, produce fruit, or shed its leaves. In many plants, the amount and duration of light exposure signal the right time for these changes. This natural rhythm is known as photoperiodism, and it ensures that plants complete their life cycles in harmony with the seasons. In summary, sunlight is not just a helpful resource, it is vital to plant life. From providing energy for food production to controlling growth and seasonal behavior, light is a key factor in a plant's overall health and success. Ensuring that plants receive the right amount of sunlight is essential for any gardener, farmer, or nature enthusiast aiming to help plants thrive.